Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you all about Burmatex's rebranded and rethought out Balance collection. So there are 36 colours across the collection and they are broken down into 3 different ranges. You've got your Balance Grid, Balance Ground and Balance Grade. So let's take a look. So the Burmatex Balance collections are perfect for any commercial setting as they are super durable and come with a 10-year guarantee. They also come with anti-static properties, perfect for around all those areas with lots of computers and telephone wires. They are also great for those areas with heavy footfall and are approved for caster chairs. So if you have decided that one of the Burmatex Balance ranges are for you, don't forget you can order free samples on our website. And don't forget we also have a fitting service available up and down the UK. Any fitter close to you will be a Dctuk UK fitter. So here we have one of the Burmatex Balance Grade tiles. Now this tile is in colour Granite Vapor. So with the Grade collection you can see that there is a slight gradient, hence the name, running through the tile. These are perfect if you want to create a little bit of interest in your floor without it being too much or in your face. So next up we have the Burmatex Balance Ground. This tile here is in the colour Sage. Now this is your standard plain carpet tile. Yeah? What more do you want me to say? It's a nice plain carpet tile. And last but not least, we have the Burmatex Balance Grid. Now this tile is in colour River Haze. Now I absolutely love this range. And you might not be able to tell too much from this sample, but when you put these tiles all together across the floor, it gives a really cool, really striking pattern. So yeah, perfect if you want to have a really cool, funky, modern and out there floor. Now that's all for today and we'll see you next time.